How to check in online with China Southern Airlines. Now, in this method, I'm going to be showing you out how you can check in online by using the COA or the China Southern Airlines checking in using the application or via their official website so that you will no longer be waiting for the queue for you to check in at the airport. So first things first, you must need to have an account with China Southern Airlines, whether if it's going to be your laptop or PC, or maybe through your mobile phone. Now once you're here, all you have to do is just to hit directly and sign up, and you will be provided with bunch of options on how you can sign up. Now, next thing is just heading directly to the check-in tab right here and make sure that you already have the information or all the informations from your airline ticket. So in here, just simply input your ticket reference number or your booking reference number, the name of the passenger, and so on and so forth. Now, once you have fulfilled all those forms, that's the time that you can go ahead and click on checked in online. You will also be provided with options if you will be adding, additional baggage or any features depending on the airline that you choose. And that's it. That's how you check in online with China Southern Airlines.